Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm very excited to announce our latest contest, which is sponsored by NVIDIA. So the title of the contest is Pool Shot Predictor, and I will be explaining it, what exactly is the submission, what prizes there are, and what exactly do you have to do to get started. Now, if you remember, we had a drone surveillance contest a while back, and we had a lot of submissions, we had a lot of voting, and we had the judges vote out, and we had the people vote out the best projects, the best results as well. And it was a fun idea, and that's why we are bringing it again. And this time around, it is sponsored by NVIDIA, and the idea is to predict the path of the ball on a pool table and whether it will go into the pocket or not. So what exactly are you going to win? First of all, you are going to win a Jetson Nano 2GB kit. It will be a developer kit that you can use right now. There's a lot of shortage and it's quite expensive. So it will be very good for you if you get your hands on one of these. Then we have a complete course, which is around $150 for computer vision Jetson Nano. So you will get access to that. Plus you will get a winning certificate from Computer Vision Zone. So these will be awarded to the top 5 winners. So 5 winners will get the same prizes, the top 5 winners. So then we go on to our sponsor, which is NVIDIA. So they are hosting the GTC 2023 conference. So make sure you go ahead and register through our link, and that will do 2 things. One, it will allow you to participate in this contest, and second, it will add you to a raffle for a 3080 Ti graphics card. So you can win a brand new 3080 Ti graphics card, and we will ship it right to you. By the way, we will ship, of course, the Jetson Nano as well to all 5 winners. Doesn't matter which country you belong to, we are going to ship all in all countries, wherever you win. Okay, then we have the rules. Now, in the rules, you are required, first of all, to register. Then you are required to download and process the video of 10 shots been playing on a pool. So I actually shot this myself. I'm playing some shots on the pool table, and you have to process this. And if we go down, you can see this is the video. And if we play this, let's scale it up. So there you go. That's the first shot. That's the second shot. Then you have the third one. So for each one of these, you have to predict the path, and you have to predict whether the ball will go into the pocket or not. So what does that mean? Let me demonstrate it here. So we have some images. So here, this is the path that is being predicted. And you can see this is the prediction being given, that whether it will go in or not. So here the prediction is in, so it is in green color. And here the prediction is out, which means it is going to hit this side wall, and then it will go onto another side wall, and it is not going to go into the pocket. So the prediction here is out. So this is what exactly we mean by prediction. So it is the dotted line. The prediction is the dotted line. And here as well, the prediction is the dotted line. So the line before it, it's up to you if you want to add or not. But this is required. So 2 things are required: the dotted line, which is the prediction of the path, and the prediction itself, whether it will go in or out. And one very important thing to note is the prediction should be made before the ball, the cue ball, touches the actual ball that has been hit. So once it touches, you cannot predict anymore. So it should be before hitting the ball. So even if it comes here, you can predict, but as soon as it touches, you cannot predict. So you have to predict before that. After that, the prediction and the path should freeze. So this path and this prediction should freeze once this cue ball touches this ball being hit. So all of this is mentioned here. So the prediction should be made before the cue ball touches the other ball. There are no restrictions on what type of image processing, machine learning, or deep learning algorithm you use, whether you use colors, whether you are using YOLO, MobileNet, SSD, whatever method you want to use, you can go ahead and use it. But it should run for all of the, 10 footages. So it should not be different code for each of them. The processed footage must contain the predicted path of the ball being hit and the prediction whether the ball will go in or not. During the submission, participants must submit the video as a YouTube link. So you will upload your video on YouTube and you will share the link along with the GitHub. So you have to add the code on the GitHub so we can see whether you have actually written something or is it just editing video. So, and you must also describe what methods did you use. So we should know whether again it's edited or you actually did it. So if you do not add any of these, it will not be accepted. So if you go to submit video, you are going to see all these different. So right now it's not logged in. So when you log in, it will give you all these different, what do you call, categories. So you have to fill those in and then you can participate. So once the submission is approved, you can share it on social media platforms. You can people can vote actually whether your technique is good or someone else's is better. So you can only one person can only vote for one video. So you can share it on your platforms, and the other people who have not participated, who are just the viewers, will also be able to vote. And 50% of the voting will be based on users, public, and 50% will be based on judges. So we don't want to do everything by judges. We don't want to do everything by public. So 50% weightage for both. So I think that's the most fair way to do it. The top 10 sections on the display of the top 10 highest votes. So when you actually submit and people vote, so it will show you the highest videos, the videos with the highest votes, but that does not account for the judges vote. So that will be added later on. So this competition will go on for 1 month. So it will start on 7th March and it will end on 7th of April. And after that, there will be a time period where the judges will look at all the submissions and the public votes, and then we are going to decide on who is the winners. So who are the winners, and the judges will be announced soon. So go ahead and get started with your algorithms, your ideas, and you can simply download the video from here, or you can click one of these links that says download or this video here, and you can start processing right away. So I'm very excited to see what you guys come up with, and make sure to attend the NVIDIA's GTC conference, because that will have a lot of inside information of the latest trends and technologies. So this is it for today's video. I hope you will participate. If you don't want to participate, make sure you vote, be part of this computer vision community so we can bring you more contests like this. So I will see you in the contest.